Have you ever wanted to play Centipede with a trackball, as well as Tempest with a spinner, with both devices connected to your arcade machine cabinet? Well, this is how you do it. First off, we need to exit Emulation Station. So this will bring up a commands prompt, and from here we need to type the following into it: sudo space evtest, and this will list every device connected to your Raspberry Pi 4 in your arcade machine. As you can see, event 0 is my Ultimark spin track, and event 1 is my Ultimark U track. So mouse 0 is basically my spinner, and mouse 1 is basically my trackball. You need to remember this. Now we can exit and go over to an FTP. So the first thing you're going to need is an FTP client. I use WinSCP. It's free and it's quite good. So firstly, we need to be in the root directory. Now this is not to be confused with the root directory that you see here. All you need to be in is the topmost directory. And from here, we're going to go to opt, Retropie, configs, all, RetroArch, config, and in here you'll have all the main directories to all the emulators that your games use. Now we're going to go into plus, and in here is every configuration to every game. So what we need to look for is Centipede. As you can see, there's quite a few in here, so we have to scroll down, keep looking, and there it is, Centipede. Okay, so we're going to drag that onto our desktop. So now we're on the desktop, we're going to open this config file and we're going to type in the following, but you need to remember what index your spinner or your trackball were on. Usually 0 is the default, so the one you want to work is 1. So what we're going to type in is the following: input underscore player 1 underscore mouse underscore, because it is a mouse, index, and then the index that you need it to be, which in our case is 1. And that's it. And then we save that. And what we'll do is we'll drag that back onto our arcade cabinet. It's going to say, do I want to overwrite this file? And yes, we do. And when that's done, reboot, and you're good to go.